Pops, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. For all of my Cola Pops that has been rocking with me and being patient with me through me not posting, I thank you so much for sticking by me. I thank you for your love and your support. If you're just stopping by, I please ask that you subscribe to the channel and smash that notification bell so that you can see when I post a new video. I'm really trying to come back to YouTube. So this is just a quick get ready with me, going to work, and I thought turn on the camera and film it. So as you can see here, I am rocking a pink bob. All of the items that I use will be in the description box. I do show some things that I used, well, almost everything that I use. If you like the video that I created today and you like me to keep on doing videos like this, please comment below. If you want to recreate it, just make sure that you slow the video down. Take your time until you perfect your craft, okay? Till next time, love you, and don't forget to watch my other videos. So first things first, my face is already moisturized, prime prepped, ready to go. Eyebrows are already done. I will be using Chai in the Born This Way foundation. And you see how little my forehead is. I literally have to be putting my finger right where my hair is so that I don't get foundation all over my hair. Now I like to use two shades in the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and the shades that I use is Warm Sand as well as Warm Beige. Now it is very key to blend until you feel like your arms are falling off, because if you don't, you're going to see imperfections throughout the day. Now I know you dolls have seen me use this over and over in every video that I've done, and it's a Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. It's the only cream contour that I like, and I'm sticking by it. I do believe that the only product that I did not show in this video was my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It's in medium tan. I like to go over my concealer with this before I bake. It just gives you a more radiant look. It doesn't give you that dried out baked look. To set the rest of my face, I use my Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder, and that is to go everywhere that I did not put my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I don't know where the clip disappeared to with the product detail for what I'm using to bronze my face as well as to powder contour my nose, but it's the Fenty Beauty in Caramel Cutie. Just to give my cheeks that much more drama, I will be powder contouring with my Tarte Palette, and I will be using the shade Timber. Okay dolls, so I like to bronze, I like to contour, I like to add my blush before I bake. Now the reason for this is, since I've been doing this, I find that every product that I put on my face for the base kind of knows its lane and it stays in it while I'm baking. So yeah, that's my reason for that. know that I'm guilty of this, and I know that most of you guys are guilty of this too. Once you get a new product, you put the old ones to the side, you play around with the new ones, and you completely forget about the old ones. Well, I'm bringing Miss Huda Beauty back out today, and it's the Rose Gold Edition palette. Also using a new palette, and that's my Jackie Aina collab with Anastasia, or Anastasia collab with Jackie Aina, whichever you want to put it. Now I didn't use this palette on its own because it didn't have enough light pink transitional shades for me. So the shade that I'm going in with is pinker, and you will notice that I didn't blend it out seamlessly, and I didn't really care to because I was actually rushing, and I'm putting something over top of that. The next shade that I'm placing down is this purple shade. It's called Big Wig. I'm just placing that over the color that I already placed down. The reason for this is just to deepen it, and as you can see, I'm not really concentrating on making it seamless because I will be creating a halo eye with another shade. Now to create my halo eye, I'll actually be using a highlighter. I'll be using the Artist Couture highlighter, and I'll be wetting my brush. It's in the shade Beige, and that is also collabed with Jackie Aina. And I'm just placing that all in the immediate part of my lid where I didn't really care to put much color, and it gives you a nice pinky goldy, I would say it's called rose gold now. Yeah, it's a rose gold halo eye. I go, girl, I get the question asked, what lashes are you wearing? What, girl, what lashes are those? Well, I'll leave everything in the description bar below, and you can order a pair for yourself. So here I'm just setting my face with the Morphe setting spray, and this is prepping me for the highlight that I'll be placing down. I'll be using Conceited by Artist Couture, and I just add a little tiny bit of the Beige, and obviously you guys know I can't use one highlighter, so it is what it is. Go ahead and line my lips using my MAC lip liner in Soar, and the lippy that I chose to use today was my TooFaced Melted Matte Lippy in Queen Bee. Lashes that I'm wearing, and I'm sure you will, you can find her on Instagram and you can order your own pair. Now if you're local here in Toronto, I think she'll meet you to deliver them to you. If not, I think she actually brings them to you. Don't quote me on that. Just message her and she'll give you the information. She has lashes, as you saw. She has clothing. She makes her own clothing. Really good entrepreneur. And it's my daughter. So these are her lashes, and again, her information is on the back of her lash box. Very nice lash box. It's on the back. I will have it down below so that you can message her